Hi, welcome back to another Bitcoin question of the day with me, Marc Kenigsberg. Today's question is, what is fiat currency? You often hear people in the Bitcoin world referring to Bitcoin versus fiat, or fiat money this, fiat money that. So what exactly is fiat? So fiat actually is any money that has no intrinsic value, that is issued by a central authority, or whereupon parties have agreed on it having a value. Whoa. Let's break that down into more simple terms. So, simply put, fiat is money usually issued by a government that doesn't have any intrinsic value, but that has a value that's been agreed upon. So, for example, the dollar. Every dollar bill that has a 1 in it is agreed to be worth $1, and that's issued by the government. How much it's worth is determined by who it's issued, and that money is then used in a market where all of the people accept that that money has that value. So when you see people in Bitcoin talking about fiat, they're usually talking about government issued money, dollars, euros, British pounds, that kind of thing. And that is what is being compared to Bitcoin. So the short answer is fiat currency is money issued by a government for the people to use. And the people use it and believe it has value because the government said so. Please subscribe to this channel so that you can get more simple, easy to understand Bitcoin questions of the day. And if you'd like me to answer anything, just put it in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer it. Until then, we'll see you next time for Bitcoin question of the day with me, Marc Kenigsberg.